Children, are you listening? Yes, can you hear me when I call your name? Often wonder, why are you running? Yes, don't you know I love you just the same? Yeah, my life, yeah, on the cross, yeah. The price, yeah. So you will know I love you so, love you so. You're my children, your restoration. Yeah, try a situation, I know what to do for my children. You pray, you feel your pain. So please remember when you talk to me, I am who I am. I am who I am. You're my children. So you would know I love you so, love you so. You're my children, your restoration. Any trial, a situation, know what to do for my children. To those who received Him, to those who believed in His name, He gave them the right to become children of God. Not born of natural descent, nor of human decision, or a husband's will, but born of God. On the cross, yeah, the price, yeah, you will know I love you so. Children, I'm your help, your restoration. Any trial or situation, know what to do for my children. Sing God, I say you would know I love you so, love you so. You're my children, your help, your restoration. Any trial or situation, know what to do for my children.